Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys double tap to activate problem how to solve. Friends we have Talkback problem, double tap problem. So my how to solve one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends we have double tap to activate problem. So how to solve double tap to activate problem, how to fix Talkback one by one we will talk about. First of all friends, open your phone setting, use your two finger and guys swipe, because if you use one finger you cannot swipe here. Use your two finger and open your phone setting with double tap, one tap and double tap, continue. After open phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So once in your iqoo mobile, click on network setting, again use two finger. Friends click here shortcut and accessibility setting and friends double tap here. After on double tap friends, you can see this type interface. Use your two finger and again scroll. One tap here and press double tap, continue. As you can see accessibility menu settings, select to speak settings, speech access setting, Talkback. So let's click here Talkback and press double tap here, continue. After double tap friends, you can see use Talkback and Talkback is enabled. So press one tap here and press double tap right side and stop button, one tap and press again double tap, Talkback problem solved. And press you can use iqoo mobile without Talkback problem, and you can use your phone with one tap with one finger. And friends you want to use Talkback shortcut setting, so friends you can on Talkback shortcut setting. After on Talkback shortcut setting friends, if you click this icon, so a Talkback will on your device again. And friends if you one tap and double tap, Talkback will stop automatically. And once again if you on Talkback in your device, so friends you can use Talkback with two finger, one tap double tap, you can close reset tap. And once again you have double tap to activate problem. So friends open your phone setting, double tap here and friends click here search option, double tap and friends search here Talkback and friends click here Talkback setting, double tap here. Direct friends you can solve Talkback problem from here with shortcut setting, double tap, one tap, again double tap, Talkback problem solved. So like that friends we can solve Talkback problem, we can solve double tap to activate problem. And friends you don't know about Talkback, so friends you can read from here how to use Talkback, how to turn off Talkback. And friends you can on Talkback watermark also. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to solve Talkback problem in iqoo mobile. Bye.